Well, volunteer my time is really a part of my being because I like to give back to the community. Because I remember when I was growing up, I saw people very much in need, of health care, but couldn't afford the health care because of their living conditions. So giving back to me is of utmost importance. Right now we're very excited about the new trip that's coming up, Mission for Change 2018. So I'm at the airport right now along with part of my team ready to go. Well, some of the stuff we're going to work on, we're going to try and do some health fairs throughout the island, include a lot of dental work. We have quite a few dentists this year that we're excited to have 4 dentists on board this year. We have a new psychiatrist also, so we're going to be definitely working with him on this mission. So we do have quite a few things lined up, including some ultrasound conferences in Kingston on the first 2 days. So this is going to be our first health fair of the series of health fairs that we're going to be conducting throughout the island.
Right.
So we're going to start off at Haile Selassie School. We have tents and stuff set up down there right now. So I have a whole lot of few of the nurses heading down there. We have all the dental people heading down there this morning, and a lot of support staff to get this mission complete.